Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change your Valorant name. So you are going to go to account.riotgames.com. You are then going to sign in. So I'm just going to sign in right now, and then after I have signed in, as you can see, there is your Riot ID is used by players, blah blah blah. Here's where you can change your Riot ID. So you're just going to click on it, like the Riot ID bit, and you're going to select it and change it. You can also change the tagline, but I have changed it already this month. So be mindful because you can only change it once every month, like every 30 days. So I will be able to change it again on the 6th of September. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!